Hello, I world people. How are you? I hope you know me well. It's me, the real Mr. Mogash Shankute, Grafe Waldemariam from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Now I'm found here around Ethiopian schools, where my school is found. I hope I have sacrificed all things so for the sake of all world people, yeah, especially those youngers. Please, the only path uh, that you should follow, and you should just obtain both the visas, yeah, here for the temporal and permanent. The only is just following your Almighty Creator path. That is just be a positive thinker, make good things, unless and otherwise. I've seen such kind of peoples which have impure hearts, since there are too many, plenty in world. That's why our Almighty Creator has already arrived and visiting us. Yeah. After visiting, just He gave us much surplus for the world. Okay. And also, as you can see, you have seen many miracles. Yeah. Many miracles that indicates the only the power of the universe is controlled by Him. There is no other power. Okay. The others was they have already tried for 200 years. So those kinds of disasters, war, everything is occurred due to the previous people's thought. Yeah, people's thought. So the new one should accept and follow the new one. Yeah, the new one means that is the ours Almighty Creator applying the rules. Yeah, start living. Yeah, so you'll get both the benefits. For example, one of my family members, relatives, everybody, including our friends, they just, I trust them, but they just choose their trust. Yeah? As you can see, I'm just observe such kind of people. Yeah? In all worlds, you observe too. Everything, their end is, disrespect. Nobody respects them. They just lose both the temporal and the permanent visa, yeah, the entrance of the heaven. Most of them they do to hide their sins, some conspiracies. Yes. By the way, all types of criminal cases will occur on me. Okay, due to this. Some of them, as if they consider Mr. Mogashan with the Grafi, had already been dead. The other one, sometimes he is found in America, in Kenya. I'm still here because I know. Where is Shankute Grafi? Is it alive in Maryland? The main one, Kumunu Digafe, with her children, the doctors, Eremia Shankute Grafi, Damro Shankute Grafi. In this way, do you save worldly people? Or you save your mother or father or other family members? The great family members, the strongest one who had been developed by the teen Woldemariam and the hero Grafi Woldemariam. Due to you, all things are, destroyed. And for this, his leadership, Shankute's leadership, you know, that's just playing a greatest role. Yeah? He is very, very, very arrogant, cruel. He has already received from his mother. I told him just before 6 years if they need to eliminate him there. Yeah? They tried it many times, they couldn't. Yeah? Me, because I'm just a son of Almighty Creator. Yeah? not to just be, not to offer such kind of things. Just I have already given everything my life. At the age of 7 years, I have already just lost it. My mom, due to he lost his promise. Then my stepmother, Kumunu Degafe, she had a boyfriend. Yeah. Then Agaradech was already dead, suicide herself, since she need to hide that. All family members they know. Really, the greatest ones like Mood, Madi, Danish, Tazo. There are tourists, yeah. No, just do not even just put on the eating, dining on with those that let our sisters to be lost, yeah, suicide. Not only Agardich. Then it continue when they start attacking and when they just lie to hide again. I lost my uncle also, Sinafikish Grafi. Yes, she desperate and she told me as if she couldn't just come back from Yemen. Finally, her just dead body arrived in Addis. Yeah? Easy, Shangude Grafi is this. Abuji, he is too cruel. Due to these people, yeah, now all the world in this, is, by the way, the last just unbalanced situation is occurred by this, and also the favor has already obtained here from Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a unique country. Right? All his miracles and everything is revealed for world. Yeah? So, for example, Trump, President of America. Have you watched the video? If it would some bombing or something attacking every, world. Yes, have we seen such kind of as if it is normal? Yeah. News, everything in the world also. That's why to save and to reinsure everything that he has already reached. Yeah. How many in all media, local and international, everything. I wrote everything. I informed to save all world people. That means by letting them just to make a true peace and agreement with their Almighty Creator, so that to get the benefit and while you let people to be lost more, yeah? All is at hand. Let them, the people, all the world, to just make a peace with Babaji. As if the legal way is considered as if this is bad thing, cruelty, illegal. There is a law, everything, but nothing is applied. For the sake of yourself, everything, just don't do like that. I have already sacrificed all things. That's why he has already arrived and visited us. Therefore, please save your people. And you have seen a lot of miracles. Yeah? That is indicates the arrival of him to just cure people, yeah? World people, to save his own and to bring back those who have just following. You have already followed for a long period of time, yeah? The wrong one. That means moving against him. That is, and also you have seen also the consequence, yeah? Everybody's mind pressure, yes? So also all war, all conflict, everything has happened, yeah? Therefore, all of them just teach the community, including your parental system, everything in the world. So let's just bring as an average, your thinking. Anyway, he has already arrived and he just has been doing everything, yeah? Because every universe is created by him and everything when the balance is shifted, he has already reached and he just save again his world's people. Yeah? Therefore, that's why I apply the positive thinker. And just, for example, you just born baby, something. You need just to transmit such kind of bad things, and again, not to do that. He has already arrived. Okay, so selfish attitude and thought is just stop. Anyway, just make a true agreement with him, then receive the benefits. By the way, we all world people are lucky, yeah? Because once he will give you two visa, the remaining here in this temporal life, it becomes nice, so nice, and also you get the key for the entrance of the heaven. It's a safe place where there is no conflict. Yes, happy. Nobody becomes old. Yeah, that is true. The other one is those countries, please come back and just visit Ethiopia. Yeah? Everything is because there are a lot of people, almost 90%, 99%, they are believe with their creator. Yeah? And when they see a simple signal, they will shift. Yeah, yeah. Also, they just they know when he just arrived and just giving his surplus. Immediately, they just make a bond with him and they receive every benefit. Yeah? That's why even there is no days death due to this COVID-19. This indicates something. So all world people, at least they should differentiate the power of people and the power of creator's superpower, that is Almighty Creator. Yeah? That's why people in the world they mismatch. Yeah? As if they form a group, then they just we have money, we have something, then we can control everything. You couldn't control yourself also, okay? In that way. Also, it had already tried, yeah. But Hitler, Mussolini, every. What is their ending? They had already lost both the temporal, this their ending, and also now they will really found that yes, hell. So that is. So in fact, every people they know, but since this seems as if our Almighty Creator, is too late. Not too late. When the balance is okay, unbalanced, he know his everything. Yeah? He has already his own statistical. Yeah? So when it is now, I hope when 90% of the people, obviously, when they just following against his rules, that's why he just arrived to save all world people, therefore to give surplus. Huh? So anyway, don't afraid with the miracles, instead make strengthen the bond with him and receive the benefit. Yeah? That's why I am just belong, I'm sacrificed everything. That's why for our brothers and sisters who are found in all parts of the earth. Yeah? I am a teacher since all my students are my own boys and girls, and also their families. Also, they are I'm their family members. Huh? So such kind of selfish attitudes and thoughts should be just eliminated. That's why he has already reached and showing all his miracles. Huh? The miracle is the revelation, how just to show the Almighty Creator, I am only the greatest power. So don't disobey my rules and don't lose everything. He is just telling for you. Yeah? So that's good. We are lucky since we are now just visiting with him. So everybody, by the way, it is assurance. When you make a true bond with him, everybody is cured from everything. That's why. So since most of the people they have already lost what he has already given, so become confused. Yeah. So to clarify that confusion, he has already reached. So after a month, everything after 2 months, after a month, everything becomes now. So that's why he will correct and he will just then after confirming, he will left us. So we was the receiver of this temporal visas and the permanent one. Yeah? It's me, yours, Mr. Mogash Shangute Grafi from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, Ethio Parent School, Bullali branch. Have a nice time. I love all people. Bye bye.